So today we'll be discussing about circles, alright? So I think that will be page 13 of your notebook. Alright, so Reed, can you read the objective for today, please?
Students will be able to define circle and radius. Sketch a circle given its radius and write an equation and set its radius.
So as you can see, the objective is quite easy. Guys, can somebody tell me what's a radius? Great. Half of the circle. What specifically? Aaron. Thank you. That's the correct definition. Half of the diameter, right? Then, so the first two bullets, it's quite easy. It's okay if your circle is not really curved. Probably tomorrow or Friday, which I don't know if all of you will be here, I'll teach you how to use correctly the compass, alright? Then, we'll be making equation of the circles. Alright, so what do you think, what professions or careers do people use circles or part of circles? Can somebody sorry?
Factories.
Oh, factories, alright. What else?
Construction.
Yes, Jay.
Carpenters.
Carpenters, who else? Deontay. Engineering, yes, specific engineering. What else? Agriculture, yes, Papaya. Architects, yes. Alright, what else? Like the easy ones, guys.
A math teacher.
A math teacher, an art teacher. What else? How about school? Do you think, or the district system, do you think they use circles? No, you sure? Alright, I'll tell you how. Aaron, I'll tell you how. So the district, or specifically the bus services, use circles because remember, I don't know if you were before in the county district county system. Remember, there is a specific radius that some students cannot use the bus, or some students just need to take a walk to go to school. Like in the county, like you should belong in a certain radius to belong to a certain school. Like I know in county schools they are like, what do you call those type that you have to belong to a certain school because you believe zoning. Yeah, they have zoning system. Yes, zone school. So that uses circles. Okay, so if you belong in that radius or that circle within the school, then you have to be in that certain school. Let's say in Perry Hall. If you live around the Perry Hall neighborhood, you have to do you have to go to Perry Hall High School. Okay. Alright, so quick question. Alright, so for you, Aaron, what is more appealing to you, circle or square, and then why? And then think about it for everybody else. I'm going to ask you. Aaron first. Circles, why?
Because you can find stuff in circles, like they have balls.
Okay, like, yeah, with sports. It's mostly like circles. What else? Dre.
Circles have no sides, so I like it.
So you like it better?
Yeah.
Alright, who else? Who has a different answer? Probably, who wants square much better?
You can mention.
Kennedy. Let's go to vote. Okay. Alvin. Alright, good. TV square or rectangle? Alvin. That's rectangle specific. Alright. So, based on science, guys, actually, Tyler, our brains are respond to circles and curves much better. So, like with men, if they see somebody that is sexy, all right, if they see somebody that is sexy, you're more attracted to the curves, right? While perceiving hard-edged objects as harsher, more defined, and with potential to be a threat. Okay. Okay? Alright. So here are some examples of why we're using circles in coordinate planes. Alright? So that is the agriculture system. So when they water this crops or something, this is the radio system or the radio tower or satellite tower. What is this? The satellite. Yes. That's the same thing. And I mentioned a while ago the bus system. Like you have to belong to a certain radius or like a certain circle so that you can use you can use the bus system in the county. I don't think that we do that in the city, right?
No.
Okay. All right. So here's the different vocabularies that you need to remember in this lesson. So you already know a circle, right? It's shape with all points the same distance from its center. So it has to be perfect. Radius is what? Aaron said it's half of the diameter. So diameter is also twice the radius. So again, radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is twice. No. Radius is half of the diameter, and diameter is twice the radius. Okay, you can copy it now. And you can use the shortcut that I just said a while ago.
I don't know. Because of your. No, man.
No, all points. That's plural. Because remember, circle has infinite points. So all those curves, all those like this. You watch, right? This is a circle. All of this has points. Once you're done, just raise your hands. Who is going to the trip on Friday? Just raise your hand. Okay. All right. Thank you. No, it's classwork. That's Bree. Oh. By the way, guys, it's Bree's birthday today.
Happy birthday.
Hey, everybody.
She's finally 16. I'm just looking for one.
No.
Do not write anything on that paper, guys, okay? And we'll discuss them today, so.
You took the one?
Yeah.
Raise your hand if you need a line paper. Raise your hand. Why no? We'll be using this for this worksheet. Because the space for the worksheet is not enough.
Oh, wow.
Alright, man, that's enough.
I'll just put it up front with Kennedy, okay? And grab some. Alright, we good? Alright, we good? Hurry up, please. Here.
I'm gonna take no
My hand. My hand. My hand. I can try and get on with my it looks like my mouth. I didn't tell you how I use I told you like
Alright, so can you just copy this for me and then I'll explain everything, okay? So this is the standard form. I'm sorry? Yeah, copy this on your notebook, So this will be the standard form of a circle, or this is the equation of the circle. I'm going to explain everything later on, and then we're going to start with your worksheet after that writing.
I ain't get diameter. So you got diameter? Try it like you don't see it start working. That's not what I covered. You got diameter with your mouse. Let me see if we got
Here, Dre, start writing.
After this, you go back like for like a second.
For what?
I
The
didn't
circle.
get the end of diameter.
Okay. Remember the diameter is twice the radius.
Alright. I'm slow.
Not even done writing?
Wait.
You said right there, you know.
Yeah. Although you skip like 2-3 lines, look at Aaron's notebook.
Aaron got out of the note.
Or Kennedy. You can go ahead, write it. Alright, good?
Don't go full. No.
You did not copy the form?
I did.
Oh, okay. No, you're not going to copy anything after this. I'm going to explain something first.
He's out of 20 week.
Alright, so I'm not going to move to the next slide, but let me explain this. So as what I've said a while ago, Dre and Aaron, this is the standard form or equation of the circle, okay? Where H and K represents the center of the circle, and then R, just the R, not the square, R represents the radius of the circle, okay? Alright, so again, the H and the K represents the center, and then R is the radius. So I'll give you an example, guys. What if my center of my circle is 0, 0? So what if this is 0, and what if this is 0? Do I have to write something here if both of them are 0? No. So I will remove the negative, I will remove the H, I will remove the negative and the K, because all of them are zeros. But let's say my radius is 2. Will I put 2 for the whole R square, or will I put 4? 4. Thank you. Alright? So, and one more thing. Let's say this is 16 right here. I'm going to ask you, what's your radius? 4. Thank you. Because remember, it's R squared. So if this was 16, ignore the R and ignore the square. If this was 16, and I ask you, what's your radius? Radius is 4. You have to work backwards now. So now I'm going to teach you like, what if you're given with a center and a radius? How are you going to make it like an equation? Or what if I give you an equation? You have to tell me what's the center and what's the radius, and you draw the circle. Okay? That's what we're going to do. Who else is still writing though? Nobody? Alright. Give an example. Everybody look at the worksheet that I just gave you. Heads up, do not write anything there because there won't be enough spot. Huh? I did not have. Alright. Write this example on your notebooks, by the way. Okay, example number 1. Find the center and radius, okay? So, let's say I have number 1. X squared plus y squared is equal to 36. And you remember you're using your notes, right? So if you look at your notes, the equation of the circle or the standard form states that it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So the technique here is, look at the number beside the x and the y. Do you have a number beside the x? Yes or no?
No.
No. Ignore the exponent. I don't care about the exponent. Look at if there's something like this. Do we have it? Yes or no?
No.
No. So if you don't have it, your center for x is 0. Do you have something for y that looks like this? No. So all of your center, also 0. Okay? Now, what is the radius though? 6. Is it 6 or 36? 6. Because remember, you have to get the square root. Easy or not? Alright. Okay.
I'll get it.
Yeah, write it down, write it down.
You get 36. You know,
I don't know, wait a minute, I'm looking for something.
Oh.
For a second, for a sec. For a sec, come on. Half. So let me give you a pass. Wait a minute. Read, fill up your pass in your notebook and outside. I'm trying to get a graph. It doesn't work. Oh, N. Are we good?
You got first.
What's those, bro?
Alvin, are you done?
You got
I can't write
What, Mary? Yep, that's the answer. Yeah, because it might be after you.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we good?
These tongues.
Alright, I need to search for a graphing something.
It's art. I think it started talking about it. What? Oh, you went black and white. Oh, not.
You used to study at the farm.
Alright, can I switch it now? Alright, so guys, look at this one. So I might have to switch back and forth, okay? So let me explain what I just did a while ago.
You need to make the goal small, right?
Oh, yeah.
You just make the goal small.
I'm going to do that. Wait a minute. Because I know I thought we had something like a graphing paper on the web. Can you still see it? Alright. Alright. Okay, let me explain first again. So in the center, if you don't see something, not real. Not real. Alright. So if you see something that looks like this in the general form, if there's a number beside the x, that would be the center. I'll give you an example like that later on. But right now, Sean and Peter, you don't have a number beside x and y, so that's why it's 0. Okay? Now, I'll teach you how to plot it. Where's my center, guys? 0, 0. So it's at the point of origin. Now, everyone, Dre, Malik. Alright, what does it say, Sean? 6. Radius. So remember the circle has what? This is the center of your attention. So you have to move 4 directions, all 6 places. So from here, move up, down, left, right, 6 places. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here, 6. Yes, you're just lucky right now that the center is 0. So what if the center is not 0?
Then you gotta
really have to count.
Then don't you gotta count 6 places
Right.
places to the right or to the left.
Right, left, up, and down.
Also,
All directions.
yeah.
Alright? So I'm so sorry if my circle is not straight. I know we have a compass, but I'm lazy right now. That's a square. Alright, write it down now. I mean, you can copy now. Let me try to use it. Oh, yeah.
That's so nasty, book.
I'm going to change it. Wait a minute. You have to make your own graphs.
I cheated like a bitch. I cheated like a bitch.
How did I figure it out?
I don't know what
Not exact. Alright, are we ready for the one if the center is not 0?
Change your bitch ass language.
Alright, we good? Pull up your password. Alright, next one. Guys, come on now. So what if it would look like this? It's not on your paper, okay? Arrow J. What if you have something like this? Alright. Alright, so with this one, guys, gonna be a 0. So Dre, tell me what will be your center? Lady, young lady. Alright, everybody gets a 0 for today.
0. Why she leave out? 0. Why she leave out?
Center is 0? Look. What is the number inside beside X?
1.
1. Do not say negative 1. So you have to ignore that negative right there. So your center will be 1. Okay, I'm going to explain. Wait a minute. Now, what would be the number right there? 2. Alright. So normally, let me go back to the equation on the standard form.
Why that one positive?
I don't like this.
You don't like this or you don't like
Shut up.
pay attention right now? Because I know you're doing Masoni's homework.
No, we ain't.
Who's up for Sony over? Right.
John.
Girl, this is this paper. Mind your business.
It ain't
There you
home.
go.
Alright, look. Alright, look. Let me explain that. Kennedy, come on. Alright, let me explain. So in order for you to help yourself to find the center, look at this the standard equation, right? So what is the number beside the x? 1, right? Or negative 1. You would think that it's negative 1. You always think about what is the opposite of that number. What is the opposite of negative 1 right now? 1. What is the opposite of positive 2?
Negative 2.
Alright, that's what you're going to put as the center. You do whatever is the opposite. Alright, so if I'm going to work backwards, Maia, if I would say my center, guys, if you keep on talking while I'm talking, you will not understand what I'm saying. If you keep on using your cell phone, later on during the worksheet, you will keep on asking me. And then if I'm going to be a very bad teacher, I'm not going to explain. But remember, my patience is only up to a certain point. If you keep on doing what you're doing right now, I'm so sorry. But you won't be successful if you keep on doing that. So let's say my center will be 1, 3, Maia. Alright, and everybody else. So if I'm going to work back, I'm going to put this number on this because this is H and this is K. Remember, this is my formula. So I'm just going to plug it in. X minus y squared plus y minus 3 squared. That's all. Now, let me ask you again. If I'm going to put it as the center, you work backwards. It looks like negative 1, right? What's opposite of negative 1? 1. Alright. What's opposite of negative 3? Positive 3. That's what you're going to do. Got it?
You want me to copy it?
No, you don't need to. You have it on your notebook already.
I don't.
That will be, yes, you can do that. Alright, so what is my radius here, by the way? 2. Alright. Do I need to tell you how to graph this or not? Yes? No? Miss Sherman, yes? You're whispering. I can't hear you. Okay.
What's the radius first?
What radius is 2?
It's a radius.
Alright. How do I get the radius? What is square root Are you free? Subject free? Super. Go! Alright, let's progress this one. Yeah. So I need somebody to plot 1 and 2. And then you draw the circle. Right, 1 and 1 negative 6. Alright, Maia. Alright, draw the circle. You might have to start with counting mean one. I mean two at the top, bottom, left, and right. Put the points. Up, down,
Look
left.
how like
You touched me. No, I hit you.
Wait, what's
look
that?
how like that means what's like
You're right.
Don't even try to ice me. That's jokes.
Use it. Alright, very good. Okay, did you know how when you did this one? Got it? Questions?
yo man.
So when Sam, remember, found 1, -2, that's the center of the circle. So this is an example when the center is not 0, 0. So when the center is not 0, 0, you have to count 2 units because that's a radius. 2 units up, down, left, and right of the center. Remember from the word itself. He or she is the center of attraction. So he or she, this circle should have same distances around the center. Okay? Alright. We did 1 to 4. Why? Okay. Then, can you look at, those that are done writing, can you look at 5 to 10? Do you know how to work back? No. Then you have to use your calculator and put in a decimal.
Yeah.
Do you know how to do 5 to 10? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Alright. No, tomorrow. How about 11 to 16? What if they gave you the drawing? Do you know how to find the center and then the radius? Alright.
It's not being gay. Don't tell me you trying to.
We good? Alright, write it on a piece of paper. Piece of paper is right here. That will be your classwork.
We'll write on this paper.
Yay!
So go right to the enough space. Alright, let me find a graphic paper.
She a mother.
We need graphic paper. Okay, I need you to be silent because I have to go to the storage room and find the graphic paper. Okay? Well, it's not going to be heavy, so you're good.
So, Mr. Biden.
Hey, yo.
Yeah.
Mosquito bit me too.
Mosquito babies. Let me go to the bathroom.
That's what I thought you were saying.
What's up, lady? Oh, man.
No, not what time is it? No, not everything. I'm
He's
gonna.
not good, right? Oh, he's not good.
Do not write anything on this paper. Hopefully I didn't got something. You didn't touch it, you didn't touch it. He's throwing damage and shit. Look, he's throwing damage. That's how you do scholarship. I don't like it. That's like Hebrew. You said $20.
Grab your papers right here, guys. Go if you want to. Fill it up. Step one. One only, guys. Cover space. What do you mean? Let me see. Wait a Grab your papers up front. The ones that ask guys, only I think the question has only question 17 to 19 asks you to graph it. Okay? So you don't need a lot of graphing papers. Yes, what's wrong?
Like you said, like
Alright. How do you find the center? What is
That's all we. Oh,
I'm that. I'm that. I'm that.
First number is not negative.
Think about it. Yo, what? You erase my issue. You every time you get it right.
I know, right?
You're not even going to do like 30 minutes.
It's possible to do the opposite of positive one. You do always the opposite. I think that. Remember you can do that. If you're set to yeah. Excuse me.